Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you all the basic settings on your Timex Ironman Triathlon. So how to set the time and date, how to switch between 12-hour display and 24-hour display, how to also change the date format, so to have day of the month and then month, or month and day of the month, then to also switch on and off the hourly chime and the beep. So what you want to do on this type of Timex Ironman with the 4 buttons on the sides and one here on the middle is to press and hold the set button or the recall. And as you can see, the first thing that we can do is to switch between time 1 and time 2. You can use either the start and split button or the button on the right side. As you can see, the stop and reset. I'm going to go with the first time, so time 1. Then I'm going to press the mode button in order to toggle between the different options. The first thing that we can set are the hours. As you can see, we have an A here. That means we are AM. You can also press and hold in order to speed scroll, and you can use the other button in order to go backwards and this one in order to go forward. So let's make it PM so that you can see that we are going to switch to a 24-hour display. Then I'm going to press the mode button. Here we have the minutes. I'm going to make it 25, just like that. Okay, now I'm going to press the mode button once again. Here we can reset the seconds. Then I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here I can set the day of the week. I'm going to leave it at Wednesday. Then we have the month, so I'm going to make it December, and let's also make it 24. So always try to play with the buttons, either to go forward and backwards, also to speed scroll. This way you are going to get very comfortable to making all the settings on your Timex Ironman Triathlon. Then I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here is where we can switch between the 12-hour display and the 24-hour display. As I mentioned, I want to go with the 24-hour display, and that is going to show me 20 when it comes to the time. Now I'm going to press it again, and here is where you can switch between day and month, or the month and day. Now I'm going to leave it just like that in month and date. Then I'm going to press once again. Here we have the chime. This is going to be the hourly chime, so this means that every full hour you are going to hear that chime, that beep. Here you can leave it off because I'm pretty sure many of you do not like that. But in case you want to switch it on, you can press any of the 2 buttons in order to do that. Then we have the beep. The beep refers to the beeping sound that all the buttons do. As you can see, now it is off, and if I press one of the buttons, it is not going to work. Now it is on, and you hear that beeping sound. So I'm going to leave it at off, and then I'm going to press the mode button once again, and as you can see, we are going to arrive once again at the beginning. So now I can use the mode button in order to toggle through all these options once again, in case I want to reset or change something that I made a mistake on. In order to end the process, we are going to press the set button, and as you can see, just as I mentioned, I have the 24-hour display, so instead of having 10 p.m. I am shown 22. So as you can see, guys, that is how you do all the basic settings on your Timex Ironman Triathlon. I'm also going to make a full guide with all the functions and features, because we also need to talk about the chrono, also about the timer, and also about the alarm. So make sure to be subscribed and check the full video, link in the description box below, guys. In case you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next on the YouTube channel. Be subscribed to this YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.